If the suspended ceiling is acoustic tile, threaded rod is inserted through the target hole, with the cover plate and nut installed on the back side to add support. The rod is then threaded up and into the installed anchor. If the suspended ceiling is constructed of drywall and access to the structure above is not possible, a pressure nut is inserted. While holding the nut with the attached zip tie, the rod is threaded through the pressure nut and up into the ceiling anchor. The pressure nut tool is used to back the nut down the rod until it is snug and providing support on the back side of the drywall. The location of the track bracket may require the threaded rod be secured to a steel joist or suspended between joists using unistrut. Excess threaded rod exposed below the suspended ceiling is trimmed to a rough length.